Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I'm back. I'm feeling so much better than my last video. The sickness is gone, thank the Lord Jesus. And I'm bringing you guys a highly requested burping video. It's always highly requested. You guys can never get enough. But it's all good, because I got you, baby. I got a can of Diet Coke, a mini bottle of Sprite, and this weird angle, but it's all good. We're gonna make it work. And I might whip out some chips. We'll see. Let's just get started. Right into the vid. Are you guys liking my Fresh Prince vibes going on with this 90s shirt? So 90s. I got from the thrift store. I don't know if you could tell. You probably can't. I mean, it's jacked up, but I even have shoulder pads on the shoulders. Like, I'm going all out. Get my little metal straw. I've actually been craving soda lately because I haven't had it in a while. It's good. Open up this. This is a 16-ounce can. 20-ounce bottle. Put that in the frame. First sippity sip of this diet, which I don't normally drink, but I don't know. For some reason, I was wanting some Diet Coke. Not bad. Why does that taste sweeter than normal? It's weird. Just took a shower. My hair is very poofy and curly. I'm gonna straighten her tomorrow. See, I want to use a straw for, like, to protect my teeth. But does that hinder, like, the burps? I don't know. Oh, I feel one coming, though. So good. Feels so good. Could already feel it on my teeth. I hate it. Well, when you go a while without drinking soda, you kind of forget how soda tastes. It's weird. I don't ever drink Diet Coke, except like one of my last burping videos. You guys requested Diet, but I don't ever order it or buy it. I was just feeling it today, though. Let's see how many I can do today. So far, one time. What kind of soda do you guys drink? Like, what are your top favorites? I used to always, well, back in high school, my school had like vending machines throughout, and I would always get Mountain Dew. Always. My friends would get Dr. Pepper. I would try it every once in a while. Mountain Dew was my jam. And then I kind of just stuck to Coke afterwards. Like Coke and orange soda. You just want to like collapse afterwards. Burping, it feels so good. Now, I will not fart. So do not comment down below, do a farting video. I will never, ever, ever, ever do one. You can just save your comments. Look at my hair. What the fuck? Looking like Winifred Sanderson. You can just save your comments for another video off my channel. I will never do a farting video. So take it or leave it with the burps. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. Damn, I'm really feeling the Sprite. My baby girl wants to say hello. Say hi. Can you say hi? Aw, my baby. No, you just ate. I don't want to give you kisses. I don't want to give you kisses. Can you say hi to them? Say hi. I love you. I just did a Korean black charcoal face mask. I left it on for 30 minutes. You know how like when you put a face mask on and it leaves it tight as hell? Like that shit was so tight, but I had like a few blemishes here. Not really these, but like, I don't know, like some blackheads on my face. I wanted to just kind of like cleanse my pores, my skin, whatever. So I kept it on for 30 minutes. I like this lighting, even though it's like 6 o'clock, I have my ring light on. Kind of feeling it. Just kidding. Why is this tasting like regular Coke to me? I don't understand. I don't ever remember Diet Coke tasting this good, ever. Are you a Pepsi or a Coke lover? There's 2 types of people in the world, good and bad. I'm on the Coke spectrum. I never got into Pepsi. That's like the last thing I'll go for. I have an option, like that's the last. First of all, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you definitely should be. If you're here solely for the burps, I burp in all of my videos. I mainly do mukbangs. All of those videos, I'm always burping. And I do these types of burping videos about like once a month. It might be more. We'll see how much you guys like them. Maybe once or twice a month. But yeah, you should definitely subscribe if you haven't already. But I was thinking in my next burping video, go to like a Coke freestyle machine and choose something from there. I think that would be cool. Instead of like going to the store and like only selecting from the small amount that they have to offer, go to one of those machines and go all out. Ooh, burp, burp, burp. I feel. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, why do you keep falling? Why? Why do you keep falling, guys? I'm gonna do some minimal editing on this video, upload her tonight, get a mukbang going sometime this weekend. I don't know what though. I have a really cool video idea that I'm planning on doing. I might do it Saturday because I'm off. It's an all day kind of video, eating video. So I might make it Saturday, film a video Saturday. If not, then I'll check my schedule, see what day I'm off next week, and film it then. I have a couple of cool video ideas. What number was that? 4? 3 or 4? I don't know. I lost count. Yes. But yeah, this month is my 1 year on YouTube. That's crazy. This year went by very, very fast. And I have a video planned for that. For my 1 year, a mukbang video for that. I don't know, like I just wanna start making some really different and tasty dishes, like dishes that you don't really see on YouTube. Because it's cool to do, like, you know, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Chipotle, but when you do like homemade creative dishes, like, that's fun to me. That's cool. I like watching those. So I might continue with my eating around the globe series. Like, I did India, Puerto Rico, Hawaii, Ireland, I'm sure I'm missing one, Mexico. Yeah, that was really fun. It allowed me to be like super creative. And like Pinterest famous Irish dishes, or like, you know, famous dishes from Puerto Rico. If you want to check that series out, get her on up right there. All right, I'm almost done with these. Almost. You know what's good? If you're 21 or older, damn, what's it called? Oh, shit. It's like the Fruit Loops flavored vodka. It has like Fruit Loop designs on the front. Oh my gosh, I don't remember the brand. But mixing that with Sprite, it tastes like Fruit Loops. Amazing. Come on, let's get a couple more out. A couple more. About like right here. So let me know if you guys want me to do a burping video once a month or twice a month. Let me know. Love it. I need to do another tipsy mukbang, or like a tipsy video. It's been a while. I miss it. I have some really epic sangria in my fridge that's like 14% alcohol. And I still have some moonshine from when I went to Tennessee in January. I have some Hunch Punch and some apple pie moonshine. So good. So yeah, tipsy mukbang coming soon. I'm gonna finish this one now. Done. I'm gonna leave my whole playlist down below and up here so you can see all my burping videos. There's about like 5 of them, 4 of them. Because I know you guys like those, so yeah. Ooh. Only a little bit left. Done. See if one more will come out for you. Just one. So I guess I'm gonna save these for a rainy day, aka in about 30 minutes from now. Yeah. Does that even count? All right, I think that might be it. I don't feel any more coming. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you already know what to do. And like I said, let me know if you want me to do a burping video once or twice a month. Please subscribe for more. I burp all the damn time and I'm not afraid to. Don't know why people are. I don't care if it's not ladylike. It's just me. I'm not changing for nobody no time soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world, and I will see you very soon. Have a good weekend. Bye.